Hi, Justile, everyone. So today here I'm teaching present tense, okay? 뒤 닫아와. So see here, 걔랑 or 걔랑초 기유배. And then nga or ngacho 기유 and 기매. So whenever you are saying I'm doing something, I'm not doing something, then we should use 기유 and 기매 for the first person, okay? And then for the other person in second and third person, you can use 기유레배, 기유레, and 기유말. See here, 콩 or 콩초, 기유레배. 콩 or 콩초, 기유레, and then 기유말에. Okay, so generally, if we say he or she or they are doing something, then we should use 기유래 and 기유말에. Okay, and then also we can use here 기두케, 기두 and 기민두. We can use it for both first person and third and second person. But in different situation. Okay, when you using kidu and kimindu for first person, that time this is the like non-volitional verbs. That means something happened unintentionally. Okay, and also we can use with the feelings. And then kidu and kimindu use for the third person and second person when situation is when you see it directly. Okay, and that means direct knowledge visually. If you see directly, then you can use kidu and kimindu for the second and third. Okay, so I will show here with the examples. Okay, so first 강사 당보, first person. Okay, so examples are here. 계랑기 탭로기 유배. So 계랑기, 계랑 you, 기 with the sa. This is an action particle. Okay, 탭 로기 유배. 탭 means book and then 록 means read. So 계랑기 탭 로기 유배. Okay, and then answer should be 예 탭 로기 유. I'm reading book. 예 탭 로기 매. I'm not reading book. So see here, 예 is sa, that is the action particle, okay? And then second one, 걔랑 진강라 두기 유배. So here in the bracket, we have yi, because if we write grammatically correct, and then we need a yi. But in colloquial, usually people use ki, okay? So see, 걔랑 진강라 두기 유배. So 진강 classroom. Are you going to classroom? 나 진강라 두기 유. I'm going classroom. So that means just now I'm going. Okay. And nga jinkang la dokime. I'm not going in the classroom. Okay. So this is like if you are doing something intentionally, and then we use kiyu and kime. Okay. And then we can use kidu and kimindu for the first person when this is a non-volitional verbs happen with the unintentionally. Okay, so for example here, 걔랑 시 고기 두 개. So that means, are you hearing song? So 시 means song, 고 means hear. Okay, so 고기 두 개. 시 고기 두. I hear the song. So 시 고기민두. So I cannot hear the song. Okay. And then 걔랑 나기 두 개. Are you sick? So in the continue. 나 나기 두. 나 means sick. Okay. 나 나기 두. Yes, I'm sick. 나 나기 민두. I'm not sick. So this can be non-volitional and also feelings. Okay. So this is a use for the first person. And then Next one. Okay. 강사 니바. So second person. 걔랑 기 칼라 사키 유래. So you are eating food. Kala means food and sa means eat. Okay. And 걔랑 기 칼라 사키 유말에. You are not eating food. 걔랑 기랑 종 책이 유래. You are doing self-study. Okay. 걔랑 기랑 종 책이 유 말에. You are not doing self-study. So see here in the bracket, yi and ki. So this is a grammatically we have to write like that. But in the colloquial, we just use ki. Okay. Okay. 걔랑 기 대 로키도. And 걔랑 기 대 로키민도. So 걔랑 대 로키도 means you are reading book. And 걔랑 기 대 로키민도. You are not reading books. 걔랑 사강라 두기도. 걔랑 사강라 두기민도. So 사강라 두기도 means you are going to restaurant. And 걔랑 사강라 두기민도. You are not going to the restaurant. So do and mindu. So I'm using here if this is my direct knowledge. Okay. Okay. And then next. Okay. 강사 sumba third person. Examples are here. 공기 차 풍기 열에 배. It's he drinks the tea. 공기 차 풍기 열에. He's drinking tea. 공기 차 풍기 열 말에. He's not drinking tea. 콩사 강라 루키 열에 배. He's going to Sakang restaurant and Kong Sakang la Duki Yure. Yes, he is going to restaurant. Kong Sakang la Duki Yumare. He is not going to restaurant. So this is a like general or generally or common knowledge. And then we should say Kiyure and Kiyumare for the third person. And then also we can use Kidu and Kimindu for the third person. 콩기 대 로키두게. He's a reading book. 콩기 대 로키두. He's a reading book. 콩기 대 로키민두. He's not reading a book. And then 콩 용키두게. He's coming. 콩 용키두. So 용 means come. Okay. 콩 용키민두. He's not coming. So this is a kidu and kimindu for third person, also used with the direct knowledge. Okay. Okay. Thank you and see you in next video.